Simulation 024. The truth about your reality. Have you ever felt like the world is only rendering where you look? Like the room behind you doesn't exist until you turn around? Physics has a limit. It's called the Planck length. It is the smallest possible unit of space. In a video game, we call that a pixel. The speed of light isn't a speed, it's a limit. It's the maximum processing speed of the server, the latency cap of the universe. Quantum mechanics proves it. Particles exist as probability waves until they are observed. The system saves memory by only rendering reality when a player is watching. So, who is the player? And who is an NPC? Look in the mirror. Does your reflection blink at the exact same time? Or is there a frame drop? Deja vu isn't a brain error, it's a save file corruption, the system reloading a previous checkpoint. If we are code, who is the coder? And what happens when they turn the computer off? Simulation result? You are running out of RAM. Wake up. End log.